Hey everyone, ever felt like stock prices are moving for no real reason? Sometimes it might not be the market, it could be manipulation. Today we are breaking down upward and downward price tricks so you can spot them and protect your investments. What is price manipulation? Price manipulation is when someone unfairly pushes the stock's price up or down for their own gain. It's like cheating in the market. There are two main types. Upward manipulation, making the stock look super popular so the price jumps. Downward manipulation, spreading bad news to make the price drop. These tricks play on our emotions, making us buy high or sell low when we shouldn't. Upward price manipulation tricks. Let's look at how they pump up prices. Pump and dump. Imagine someone hyping a stock with fake amazing news. Everyone buys in and the price shoot up. And then the promoters sell everything, leaving everyone with worthless shares. Spoofing. Think of someone placing a huge buy order to make it look like lots of people want the stock. The price goes up and then they cancel the order before actually buying it. It's like pretending to be interested to trick others. Churning. This is just creating a lot of fake trading activity to make a stock look hot and attract more buyers. Downward price manipulation tricks. Now, how do they push prices down? Short and distort. This is the opposite of pump and dump, spreading false negative rumors to scare people into selling, driving the price down so the manipulators can buy it back cheap. Bear raiding. Imagine a group aggressively selling a stock to force the price down. This can trigger stop loss orders and even margin calls, making the price fall even faster. Spoofing. Just like upward spoofing, but with sell orders. Placing big sell orders to make it seems like everyone is dumping the stocks, pushing the price down before cancelling the order. How manipulation messes up charts. If you use charts to trade, manipulation can trick you. Fake breakouts. The price might jump above the resistance level or fall below support, making you think it's going to keep going, but it's just manipulation and price reverses. Crazy volume spikes. Suddenly seeing huge trading volume might look like a strong move, but it just could be artificial. False trends. Manipulated price movements can look like real trends, leading you to make bad trades. Spotting and avoiding manipulation. So how do you protect yourself? Watch the volume. Big sudden volume without news? Be suspicious. Double check news. Don't believe everything you read, especially online rumors. Avoid risky stocks. Smaller, less traded stocks are easier to manipulate. Use multiple tools. Don't just rely on one indicator. Keep an eye on orders. Look for those large, disappearing buy or sell orders. Price manipulation is a shady part of the market, but understanding these tactics can help you stay alert and make smarter decisions. Always do your research and remember, if something looks too good to be true or too bad to be true, it just might be.